guys, welcome to my channel. About a week ago I showed you guys that what I wanted to do with this car's brake. I got some C6 Z06 brakes that I wanted to put an upgrade to this car to, and I also said that my buddy was going to help me do it. Basically he was going to do it and I was just going to be his assistant and learn. Unfortunately, my buddy fell sick a couple days ago. Hopefully it's not serious, but it was serious enough where he couldn't help me with this project. And because I was really excited to put those brakes on this car, I just went ahead and went to a local Corvette shop and had it, and just paid a mechanic to put it on. I know for you purists out there, I should have just waited and learned how to do it, but again, I was, something with me, I just don't have patience. So I wanted to get these on as soon as possible, and I just got it back from the mechanic. He said everything bolted on smoothly. Also, if you're going to do this with your C5, make sure you get the proper sized wheels and tires. The stock C5 tires and wheels, the caliper just won't fit on those, so you will need to upgrade. Fortunately for me, the previous owner of this car already upgraded the wheels and tires, so what you need is 18 inches up front and 19s in the back, and the C6 Z06 brakes should clear. It cleared with mine, so if you are planning on doing this, I'm pretty sure that's the way to go and you won't run into any problems. So other than that, let's go ahead and see what they look like. So here you go. There are the rears right there. Oh man, those red calipers really pop out with the black car, and I love the factory cross-drilled rotors, and you know what? It's factory. So I would rather go with a factory than a cheaper brand or something that a brand that I don't really go for or know about. And I just right now I just don't have the money to buy the big expensive rotors. But if GM put this on their Z06 back in the day, then hey, I'm really satisfied with it. So let's go to the front and check that out. And again, look at that massive rotor up front. You've got 6 pistons up front, and then in the rear I believe they're 4. And again, going back to what I said, you are going to need to upgrade your wheel and tire package if you only have the stock C5 wheels. I don't know if you can see that, but these calipers just barely clear, but there's still at least maybe a 1/4 of an inch room between the back of the rim and the actual brake caliper. And again, look at those rotors, man. Factory rotors. I believe they were anywhere from 65 or 70 for the front and about 65 in the rears back there. But it's just a good looking setup, and what can I say? I'm very satisfied with it. The price on putting these in wasn't really too bad. Not really anything to break the bank. However, again, I wish that my friend was able to put these on, and me learning some stuff from him. So here's the other side. Pretty much the same as the driver's side, but look at that. It's just a very beautiful brake package. Glad I upgraded it, and the minute I pulled out of the mechanic's parking lot, I had to test it, and these things just stop on a dime. I mean, wow. Don't get me wrong, the stock C5 brake package was good, but these are just incredible, So again, I want to thank Chris. He has a channel called My Corvette Life, and he was the one that did all the research on this C6 Z06 upgrade for the C5 Corvette. He he pretty much did all the grunt work. He listed all the part numbers, and actually he listed the prices that he got from Rock Auto. So many thanks to Chris. If you haven't gone to his channel, please go to his channel, My Corvette Life, and support him. He has a lot of great videos, a lot of content that's really good to Corvette owners. So well, that's it. Hope you guys stay safe. Again, I'll see you on the road. Bye. Oops, I'll see you on the road, I believe, is Lethal Camaro's farewell slogan to his video, so I can't use that. But again, take care. So till next time, bye.